Hello friends. My another question for study is discuss about development of harmonious culture in India. Discuss about development of harmonious culture in India. Now the question comes. What do you understand about harmony? Harmony means to connect both with same importance. Right? Give importance to all the sides and create a new development is called harmony. So here harmonious culture comes means different people from different culture comes in one culture by accepting own culture's identity with others identity too. See, in time of Aryans, family came to India, and here you remember so many families of different tribes came to India. They settled here, they established here, and they accepted themselves. What they find? They find here that some powerful tribes were also here, and in both way, all the tribes came in contact with each other. So mainly in all these tribes, the last tribe came to India was the Aryan in those period. So the Aryans were proved more powerful in physical capacity also. But here you remember, by amalgamation means connecting all. By amalgamation or mixing all. By amalgamation of different cultures, the new harmonious culture developed. And from that way, India have established glorious and prosperous heritage. So now you remember, here two different tribes came in contact with each other, or multiple tribes came in contact with each other by creating some social, political and religious confluence, connections between them. Some marriages took place between these all tribes, and by all these means the changes started to come in tribes lifestyle settled in India. Maybe it could be a Dravidians we could say, or we could say about the Aryans also. So here, what kind of the changes came? Now the next point, the influence of different tribes over each other in languages, script, names, religious rituals, religious beliefs, social system, food habits, clothing, in all the way. And in this way, these all tribes connected with each other for longer period. Here the development of composite culture we could say by this way, right? So this is a development of harmonious culture in India by confluence or amalgamation of different tribes in India, right? This is your answer.